What is My 5-Minute Tutor? The platform is an on-demand primary school maths tuition program. Lesson by lesson, step by step, the program progressively allows your child to develop certainty of knowledge, capability, and confidence in maths in primary school, so they don't get left behind or have to struggle in high school and beyond. Built using the Maths Mastery formula, your child is stepped through a lesson structure of explicit presentation, explanation, and constant revision of the entire maths curriculum. The teaching framework is broken down into 2 stages. Stage 2 covers years 3 and 4, Stage 3 covers years 5 and 6. Simply start your child at their respective stage and progress through the lessons at a pace that works for them. Each stage is made up of 160 tutoring lessons, each approximately 30 minutes in length. And each tutoring lesson is broken down into 5 5-minute individual category lessons so that your child doesn't get overwhelmed or disinterested. At the end of each lesson, there's a worksheet to complete to support and embed the learning. The system is set so that your child has 2 tutoring classes a week during school terms, but you can select more if you so desire. Each tutoring lesson is meticulously engineered to overlay and interlock with the previous and latter lessons, enabling your child to progressively and systematically develop genuine mastery in maths. Additionally, and unique to the platform, you and your child also have on-demand access to more than 150 core concept lessons. These purpose-built lessons are like Teach the Teacher lessons. They break down the key elements of every maths concept in the curriculum in 5 minutes or less, empowering you with the tools to not only instantly support your child's learning, but also connect with them. The program puts your child in the hands of a master childhood educator, walking your child through the process of mastering the fundamentals of maths when it'll have the biggest impact on their future. So that instead of watching your child struggle with confusion, difficulty, and doubt as they progress through their educational journey, you'll see them develop a profound understanding of maths. What that means for you is that you'll see your child light up with a sense of capability and confidence, and watch that overflow into everything else they do. But what that really means for you is that you'll have opened up the doors of opportunity for your child by empowering them with the knowledge and skills they need to excel in high school and beyond. Join the My5 community and start your child's learning journey today.